Am katatanbash, Bakhir Ben Bo channeli, learn and explore. La video da basi bashidumi, chapter semi ktebi Treasure Island aking. At the Spyglass Inn, La Miwankhane Spyglass. After breakfast, the squire asked me to take a note to Long John Silver. La Dway Nani Bayani. After breakfast, wata Dway Nani Bayani, the squire asked me, Squire ka daway lekidum, to take a note to Long John Silver. Bo owi katebi niyak babambo Long John Silver. He told me to go to the Spyglass, an inn at the other end of the docks. He told me to go to the Spyglass, Paywitum ka Brombo Spyglass, an inn at the other end of the docks. Miwankhanek lakotayake dike shweni wastani kashtiagan. I went gladly because I was pleased to be able to see the busy port and all the ships again. I went gladly. Bakhosh hali wa roshtem. Because, labar away, I was pleased, khosh halbum, to be able, kabitwanum, to see the busy port, bo'owi ka bandara qarabal khakabibinum, and all the ships again. Wahamu kashtiakan jariki dika. The inn was full of loud sailors, and I was almost too frightened to go inside. The inn was full of loud sailors. Miwankhanaka parbu la daryawani dangbaris. Mabastaweka badangi baris qsayan kirdo. And I was almost too frightened to go inside. Waman kharig bu zor petirsam bowi kabro majuro. As I was waiting at the door, I saw a man as he came out of a side room, and I thought he must be Long John Silver. As I was waiting at the door, kateka la dergaka da wastabum, I saw a man as he came out, piawekambini kateka hata darawa, of a side room, la jureki la tanishtawa, and I thought, wabirim kirdawa, he must be Long John Silver. A bit ampiawa Long John Silver bit. His legs was cut off near the top, and under his left shoulder he carried a crutch, on which he moved about easily. His leg was cut off near the top. Qachi chipi la sarawa qartenrabu. Mabastoe ka qachi halla bina qartenrao. Cut off wata qartandin. And under his left shoulder he carried a crutch. Walajir shani chepida dar shakeki halgirtabu, on which he moved about easily. Kabahoyawa aitwani baasani bijulat. He was very tall and strong, with an intelligent face, and he was serving the people at the tables with a smile. He was very tall and strong. Zor balabarzud bahezbu. Tall wata balabaris, strong wata bahez. With an intelligent face, but the muchaweki zirakanoa, and he was serving the people wa khazmati khalkake akir at the table lasar mezakan with a smile bazardakhano. From the very first time I had read about Long John Silver in Trelawney's letter, I had been frightened that he might be the one-legged sailor that the captain had told me about. From the very first time wata halla saratawa I had read about Long John Silver in Trelawney's letter, kakhwende bumawala na makani Trelawney da darbare Long John Silver, I had been frightened wata tersabum that he might be the one-legged sailor, kaama au piawa yaqachebet yan au daryawa na yaqachebet that the captain had told me, ka captainaka piutabum. But one look at the man was enough. Balam yeksaid kirdini piawaka basbu. Mabasaweka yeksaid kirdini basbu aboika bzanet ama o piawani. I had seen the captain, Black Dog, and the blind man Pew, and I thought I knew what a pirate was like. Very different from this clean and pleasant innkeeper. I had seen the captain, Captain Nakam Biniwa, Black Dog wa Black Dog, and the blind man Pew, wa Piawa Nabinaka Kanari Pewbu. And I thought I knew what a pirate was like. ومن وابيرم أكردوا كأمزاني چتي دريا چونا. Very different, زور جواز بو from this لأم clean and pleasant innkeeper. لأم خاوني ميوان خانا پاکو خاوينو روخوشا. ما بس ديوية كا أم كابرايا واتا Long John Silver لا چتي دريا ناچت. I walked closer to him, held out the note and said, Mr. Silver, sir? I walked closer to him, wata leinzik tirbu mawa, held out the note and said, Tebiniakam baris kirdawo pemwit, Mr. Silver, sir? Mr. Silver, goram. Mabasti we ka pasari lekat bzanet ka Mr. Silver yan o'Neill. Yes, my boy. And who are you? He answered, Wata, walami dayawo wuti, bale kurum. Yes, my boy, wata bale kurum. And who are you? Wa tokit. I gave him the note. Wata tebinyakam yapi. Oh, he said, quite loudly and seeming surprised. Wuti oh. Badenge ki barzu wa diarbu ka seri surmao. You are the new cabin boy. I'm very pleased to meet you. To khizmatkara nueke nau kashtiyake. You are the new cabin boy. Wata to khizmatkara nueke. I'm very pleased to meet you. Wata zor khoshhalam babinina. Just then I noticed one of the men sitting on the other side of the room as he suddenly stood up and walked to the door. Just then, wata hallo katada, I noticed one of the men tebini yekek lapiawakanam kir sitting on the other side of the room. Kalalake dike jurakada danishtabu as he suddenly stood up, kate kalanakau hastaya sarpe and walked to the door. Rosht barolai dargaka. I recognized him at once. Wata had bayak said kid nasimo. Recognize wata dainaseto. Hey! I shouted. Wata hawaram kirutum hey. Stop him! It's Black Dog! He's one of the pirates! Stop him, wata biwastenan. It's Black Dog, our Black Doga. He's one of the pirates. Ama yekeka la chatakani daria. I don't care who he is, cried Silver. Wata Silver hawari kirduuti. I don't care who he is. Mun haqam niyakea. But he hasn't paid for his drinks. Harry, run and catch him. Balam pare khwadnawakani nadao. But he hasn't paid for his drinks. Balam pare khwadnawakani nadao. Harry, ama nawi keseka, run and catch him. Rako bigra. Long John Silver lerda ale mun haqam niyaka ama kiye an Kenya. Balam pare ke nao. A man near the door jumped up and ran out of the inn after him. A man near the door, wata piawek lanziki dargaka, jumped up and ran out of the inn after him. Hastaya sarpe yan bazidaya sarpe and ran out of the inn, raikir da daraway miwan khanaka after him, badwai auda. Who did you say he was? A pirate? In my inn? I can't believe it, said Silver, who was now very excited. Silver, ka esta zor dil khoshbu wuti. Who did you say he was? Wutit kebu? A pirate? Chateki darya? In my inn? Lamyuan khanake minda? I can't believe it. Brwanakam. Morgan, he called to a man sitting in the bar. Bani piawe kikit kala barakada danishtabu kanawi Morgan bu. Uti Morgan. You were drinking with him. You've never seen him before, have you? You didn't know his name, did you? You were drinking with him. Wata to lagali atkhwado. You have never seen him. Peshter to hargiz am kabrayat nabinyo. Have you? Binuta? You don't know his name, did you? Now okay nazanit. Azanit? I had become worried when I found Black Dog at the spyglass and I watched the cook carefully. Dudil bum yan betaqad bum yan diltang bum kate ka Black Dogum la spyglass dozio yan Black Dogum la spyglass bini and I watched the cook carefully. Wa bawriayo sayri cheshle nanakamkir. But he was too ready and too clever for me. Balam o zor amadabu, but he was too ready wata zor amadabu and too clever for me. وزور زیرک بوو بۆ من. He laughed and joked with me and said that I was a clever boy. He laughed and joked with me. لەگەڵم پێکەنی و هەروەها گاڵتەی لەگەڵ کردم یان قسەی خۆشی بۆ کردم. And said that ووتی کە I was a clever boy. کە من کوڕێکی زیرەکم. By the time Harry had come back empty-handed and had been shouted at loudly by Silver, I felt sure that Silver was an honest man. بەگەڕانەوەی هاری بەدەستی بەتاڵ و هەروەها هاوارکردن بە دەنگی بەرز لەلایەن سیلڤەرەوە بەسەریدا مەبەستەوەی کە سیلڤەر هاواری بەسەر هاریا کردووە. I felt sure that دڵنیا بووم کە سیلڤەر پیاوێکی ڕاستگۆ بوو. A little while later, he took me back to see Trelawney and we walked by the quays together. A little while later, واتە تۆزێک دواتر, he took me back to see Trelawney. منی بردەوە بۆ ئەوەی Trelawney ببینین. And we walked by the quays together. و پێکەوە بە شۆستەی بەندەرەکەدا ڕۆشتین. He was very interesting and told me all about the different ships that we passed, their rig, their weight, and nationality, and where they would sail. He was very interesting. واتە کەسێکی ڕووخۆش یان کەسێک بوو کە لەگەڵی بێتاقەت نەئەبووی شتێکی لەو بابەتە. And told me all about the different ships و پێیوتم دەربارەی هەموو کەشتیە جیاوازەکان that we passed کە بە تەنیشتیا تێپەڕین, their rig, گوریسەکانیان مەبەست لەو گوریسانەیە کە چارۆکەکانی پێ ئەبەسرێتەوە, their weight, کێشیان, and nationality, و نەتەوەکەیان. Nationality واتە نەتەوە. And where they would sail, و بۆ کوێ ئەڕۆن. هەموو ئەم زانیاریانەی پێوتوە. Long John excitedly told the squire and the doctor the whole story. Long John بە خۆشحاڵیەوە یان بە دڵخۆشیەوە هەموو چیرۆکەکەی بۆ سکوایر و دکتۆرەکە گێڕایەوە. The two gentlemen said it was a shame that Black Dog had escaped, but we all agreed that nothing could be done. The two gentlemen, واتە دوو پیاوەکە یان دوو پیاو بەڕێزەکە, said, وتیان, it was a shame that Black Dog had escaped. ئەوە شەرم بوو کە Black Dog ڕای کردووە یان ڕزگاری بووە. But we all agreed, بەڵام هەمومان ڕازی بووین, that nothing could be done, کە هیچ شتێک ناکرێت. واتە تاو Black Dog ڕای کردووە و ناتوان هیچ بکەن. As Long John left, the two gentlemen thanked him for his trouble. کاتێک کە Long John ڕۆشت, as Long John left, واتە کاتێک کە Long John ڕۆشت, the two gentlemen, دوو پیاوە بەڕێزەکە کە مەبەست لە دکتۆرەکە و سکوایرە, thanked him, سپاسیان کرد, for his trouble, بۆ کێشەکەی. مەبەست لە کێشەکەی ئەوەیە کە کەسێکی ناردووە بە دوای Black Dogە. Everyone on board by 4 this afternoon, shouted the squire after him. Squire لە دوای ڕۆشتنی سیلڤەر هاواری کرد و وتی, Everyone on board by 4 this afternoon. هەمووتان کاتژمێر 4 دوای نیوەڕۆ لەسەر کەشتیەکە بن. What a wonderful man, said the squire, then turned to me. Squire وتی, What a wonderful man. چەند پیاوێکی سەرنجڕاکێشە. و دواتر سەیری منی کرد. Now, come with us, Hawkins, and we'll see the ship. ئێستا لەگەڵ ئێمە وەرە Hawkins, and we'll see the ship. و کەشتیەکە ئەبینین. بەم شێوازەش بەشی دووەم کۆتایی هات تاوەکو ڤیدیۆ داهاتوو خواتان لەگەڵ.